Tuesdays, I have a hotel collab with the Wander Stay Boutique Hotel and some other collaborations. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to it. Right now we are at Daiquiri Land. Got a collab with them. I don't even know what type of food they serve, but we finna vibe. So we got a $200 limit. That's a lot for 2 people. We finna just order mad inside.
Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, just be comfortable. I'll be right here next to you.
I got brain freeze. Every Tuesday is Fat Tuesday at Daiquiri Land. If you love seafood, daiquiri wings, and vibes, go ahead and check out Daiquiri Land in Houston. We ate down. Everything was 10 out of 10. I recently started eating seafood, and I can say I honestly love the shrimp fried pineapple and the catfish basket. Every Tuesday, they offer Fat Tuesday special deals, which includes 99-cent daiquiris, $6 lemon drops, $2 pork chops, $5.99 wing baskets, and more. If you can't make it on a Tuesday, check out their $5 Wednesday specials or dine in during happy hour Monday through Friday from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. for great eats. Be sure to save this video for places to try in Houston and follow me for more fun. Bye. Today trained me. First of all, I'm running off like 2 hours of sleep from the time I got to the airport to land it, and we've been running around nonstop. We will catch you in the morning. Good night.
Ever since I caught you on that ice, you got no chill, no more. Never try to waste your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Do it a million times, whoa.
So we just pulled up to Color Factory, which is like an immersive art museum. They have a whole bunch of different rooms. I've seen this all over TikTok. I've seen it in New York, and I think they got one in Atlanta too. I just never been, but for my first time I have a collab. How lit is that? So yeah, we finna head inside and y'all are hanging out with us. It was kind of good. We did a quick little fit change. Now we are in Chinatown, part of Houston. We got a little collab. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot the name of the place. But it's like a barbecue and seafood spot. So let's see what they talking about. Oh, okay. Gail's Crab. I'm probably saying it wrong. But it's a crab spot and it's a seafood spot. So we'll go to the crab spot first. Yeah. And like, I just had my first seafood boil. What you rate the seafood boil?
It was like a, it was like a,
it was good, but it was
8.
spicy.
Literally, my lips are still burning. Yeah, it was mad spicy,
but it was good. Y'all come check this place out. And now we at the barbecue spot, which is right next door. Bam, bam, bam. We big for real.
And we at the barbecue spot.
Hello. So we just pulled up to Cidercade. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm working with minimal storage, so I really ain't been vlogging. But I'm gonna just insert the clips that I've been getting for the content on TikTok. I'm finna wipe up my camera tonight. So for the last 2 days, y'all gonna get more footage. We at Cidercade, which is like an all adults arcade. If y'all ever been to Dave & Buster's, it's like that for me. So yeah. Damn, you gotta walk all the way down. I'm walking. No, I don't want to be in lefty mode. Biscuits was actually really good. I highly recommend stopping there if you're ever in Houston. Or they have a bunch of locations. They're fire. The French toast was really good, and I don't even like strawberries like that. Like, I used to be allergic to strawberries, and I grew out of it, so I stopped eating them. But them was fire at Camp Front. Like, I would go back and get them. But I have another collab at 12 at this place called Mostly Chocolate. So right now, I'm doing some work remote because I managed 2 social media pages. So I'm editing some content that needs to go up today. And then I also need to edit my own content from the collab. I just came from a collab in Charlotte this weekend that needs to go up. Ciao. I got so much to do. So that's literally what I'm about to do now. See how much I can get done in 30 minutes, okay? Do you know you have 30 minutes? 30. Yes. So I just pulled up to Mostly Chocolate, which is a chocolate and catering company. I have a collab with them today to showcase their assorted chocolate box, their chocolate tastings, and all that they have to offer. Here's what the front looks like. Let me zoom in a little bit. So yeah, I am gonna head in and we're gonna have some fun. Somebody gotta stop, somebody's on it's easy to see that you're better. I am
manager in Texas had us make a custom mold for them, and it's super detailed. It's had better days. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new one, but
it gives like the old vintage look though. I like it.
Yeah, right.
This is literally one of the best hidden gems in Houston. Come with me to Mostly Chocolate, a local family-owned business that specializes in handcrafted artisanal chocolate. I had the opportunity to learn and taste the variety of chocolates they offer. Yes, they have the viral Dubai chocolate that everyone loves. I decided to build my own chocolate box since every flavor looked so good, and I was just too indecisive. Orders can be placed online or in person by visiting their storefront. If you're looking to satisfy your sweet tooth, Mostly Chocolate is the place to visit. Now that I'm back from the chocolate collab, I gotta record a video of like me trying it, because I don't know if I'm gonna like the footage of me trying it from in the store, because I didn't really set my camera up how I wanted to. The chocolate is actually good. Like, not gonna lie, this one got Pop Rocks in it, and I didn't really think I was gonna like it, but it's good. Camp Front. And then they gave me some milk chocolate Texas pecans toffee. I'm not gonna lie, I probably don't like pecan, because I'm really not like I don't really like almond nuts. I really don't like any type of nuts. So I don't like pecan. I don't even know if that got any correlation. But yeah. So now I'm about to pull some footage from my camera, edit, and do a little bit more work remote. Y'all just don't keep it with me. Yeah. Money in the bank, money in the bank, money in the bank. Now it's time I get back up with you, girl.
Keisha, it was Sonia, it was Tanya, it was Bonnie, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is, man, I don't need no wood for this head. Show it right there's a 10, a 10, show it a 10, a 10, show it a 10, a 10, show it a 10, a 10, oh yeah.
This is my first time ever doing like a soft beat, light beat, whatever it's called. I don't know. I think I ate. It's given. Who's that girl? Yeah. We're heading out to the Rockets game. Quick little OLTZ. Yeah. The heels done came off, y'all. YOLO.
Not doing it.
What do you rate the game?
It was a 10. I really enjoyed it. What you think?
It did. I had fun. Them nachos was busting, y'all.
Oh man, nah, them nachos was too good.
They was.
Too good.
That was too good. Can we get that little pie?
Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley oop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we do ooh-ooh?
Grab your lab coats and let's take a science class with the Drunken Laboratory. It's an immersive experience where you get to become a scientist for the night, compete with friends, sing karaoke, and bring out your inner child. If you're like me and you prefer not to drink, don't let that stop you. They have both a sober and tipsy ticket available. I visited the Houston location and boy, did we have a time. Science was never my thing, but I felt like Bill Nye here. From the experiments to the hospitalities to the rap battle, I highly recommend you grab your friends and check out the Drunken Laboratory at their New York or Houston location. And don't forget to follow me for more immersive experiences. Bye. Okay, so I first wanted to thank y'all for watching the vlog this far, and I wanted to apologize for how abruptly it's ending. I lost my camera on the last day of this trip when I was at the airport, and when I got back home to edit the videos, I realized that I lost my camera, and I didn't think I was gonna get my camera back. So I deleted some footage from the last day. On the last day, we had woke up in the morning, got breakfast, went to the spa at Lifetime Spa, which I'll tag in the description, and then we went to Drunken Laboratory and called it a night. But the only footage I have is from Drunken Laboratory because the other footage I deleted from my other SD card because I just did not think that my camera was gonna get returned to me and that I was going to be editing this vlog. However, by the grace of God, my camera was returned to me. And thank you to Brandon who found my camera. I'm going to tag him below because he also does have a business that I would love for y'all to support. And yeah, I just appreciate him for returning my camera. But because I had the footage, I'm like, oh, like I want to drop a vlog now. And I don't know why I deleted the other footage in the first place. But yeah, that's why this vlog ended so abruptly. I do hope that y'all enjoyed the vlog so far and everything that I had. I will be dropping the Houston itinerary below, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.
And I've been with Tripley, I've been with